I'm here at Hair Club, ready to get my hair back and become fabulous all over again.
All right, so today we're here with Brandi, and we are really excited to help you get your hair back, Brandi. So tell me a little bit about the areas and show us kind of what areas have been bothering you.
My areas of concern is my temples from wearing a lot of hair weave.
And what are you hoping to achieve for an overall style today? What would you like the end result to look like?
I like a bob, a nice bob. I like long and curly. Just having my hair back will be the best thing for me.
Amazing. All right, well, stay tuned, and everybody's going to be able to see this grand finale here. So we'll come back in just a few minutes and show you what Brandi's finished results are.
Hair loss affected me because it stopped me from doing a lot of things with my outdoor things with my kids. The first time I went to speak with someone about my hair loss, they were very knowledgeable. The setting was very warm and welcoming. They knew exactly what they were talking about, and she helped me figure out what I actually wanted. I wanted to look like a supermodel. My stylist is great. She's very bubbly. She delivers exactly what I asked her to do, and we have great conversation, and she just makes it feel more like family than me coming to get my hair done. Now that I have my hair back, I feel more confident being able to jump in the swimming pool with my kids, going outside, getting caught in the rain, being more comfortable outside. Dating with my new hair, I know once I go out, I look beautiful, I feel beautiful, and I'm confident that if he wants to touch my hair, he will feel nothing but hair. If I had to speak to my ladies, I would tell them that they'll feel more confident. They won't have to worry about their wigs slipping, their tracks showing. They can run their fingers through it and feels just like your natural hair. The best thing I've done for myself was come to Hair Club to get my hair back. And now I'm fabulous.